These ones are a little bit punky in spots, but in that blackness. This side was down on the ground for quite a while, so it got a little more rot, but I don't know, I've said it before and I'll say it again. I think silver maple is a underrated wood. See what I'm talking about? That's just beautiful wood. And this has been sitting all summer, harvested in the winter time, but like I said, silver maple. I think it's worth your time to mill it up. Got another log that I milled yesterday that I didn't record, and it's going to be flooring, I think. It's sort of like this kind of green or coloring throughout the whole thing. It wasn't on the ground, so it didn't have as much of the sort of rotting or spalting going on. Anyways, go back at it and stack this stuff up. The last two pieces. Have a look at those. It's a nice book matched set. Nice color. Interesting character. So say it with me. Silver maple. Good wood. The way I figure it, if it's made of wood, mill it up. You never know what you're going to find inside. Don't let people talk you out of milling a piece of wood just because, you know, the consensus is it's not worth it. It's all wood. It can all be used to build shit. So why not? What have you got to lose? Thanks for watching. Take care.